question number 7 we have completed last class. Now look question number 8. In a question number 8, what is left hand side? LHS cos pi plus x, cos minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, and right hand side is cot square x. Cot square x you will get if you will get cos square x upon sin square x. Okay, so we have to apply simply quadrant. Cos pi plus theta, pi plus theta, pi means which? If you remember, where is pi? Pi means here 0, okay, then it is pi by 2, pi means here. So whenever your angle on this line, I mean this line, no change in the ratio, correct? Vertical line, ratio change. Pi is here, ratio no change, so cos is cos. And pi plus, pi means exactly here, plus means anti-clockwise, plus means anti-clockwise, minus means clockwise. So anti-clockwise means this direction. So you will be in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. So cos pi plus x is what? Minus cos x. Okay? Minus cos x. And cos minus x is plus cos x. Cos 8 negative sign into cos x upon sin pi. Again pi here. And minus means clockwise this time, clockwise move. Then you are in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive. So it is sin pi minus x is only sin x. Okay. Now cos pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 here, this line. Ratio change. How ratio change? Cos in sin, sin in cos. So it will be cos will be sin x, but negative or positive? Tell me. Negative x or positive x? Pi by 2 exactly here. And plus means anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means move here. Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos negative. So it is negative sin x. Okay. So minus cos square x upon minus sin square x. Minus minus cancel. Cos square x upon sin square x. Cot square x. Okay. This is your RHS, right hand side. Okay. Hence proved. Finish. Note. Question number 9. Right, left hand side LHS cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x multiply cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. And you need to prove this after simplification. It is 1. 1 is your right hand side. Simple, just follow the quadrant method. You need to know only quadrant, how quadrant works. Okay, in the quadrant, always whenever you're here, ratio change on this line, no change in the ratio. The same I will follow. Tell me first, cos 3 pi by 2. Where is 3 pi by 2? 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. Then again 2 pi. Ratio change. So cos in sin. So what is this? What is this answer? It is sin x, but positive or negative according to quadrant. Where is this angle? 3 pi by 2 exactly here. Correct. Plus means anti-clockwise. Now rotate the clock. From here go anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. This na? This is anti-clockwise. So fourth quadrant cos. Positive or negative? Positive. So it is positive. It is positive sin x. It is solved. Now come to this. Cos 2 pi. 2 pi here. Then ratio no change. No change in the ratio. So cos is cos x. Plus or negative, tell me. Plus anti-clockwise first quadrant, all positive, so it is only cos x. Solved. Now come to bracket. In the bracket cot 3 pi by 2, again 3 pi by 2 here. Ratio change. Cot changes to 10. So it is 10x. Negative or positive, we can see. Positive or negative, tell me. Minus means clockwise. 3 pi by 2 here. Correct. And minus means clockwise. Clock moving like this. This is clock rotation. And this is anti-clock rotation. So you will, from here, you will come here. Third quadrant, cot is positive. So it is positive 10x, and positive is understood. No need to write. Plus cot 2 pi, again 2 pi here. This is 2 pi. No change. So cot is cot x. But negative or positive? You should say positive because first quadrant. Plus means anti-clockwise first quadrant. Simplify. Okay. Simplify next. Sin x cos x, and 10x is sin x by cos x, and cot x is cos x by sin x. Okay. This is the rough work. Okay. Here simplify. Sin x cos x. LCM. What is LCM? Sin x cos x, sin square x, cos square x. Then this sin and this sin cancel, this cos cancel. Correct. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1, identity. So 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 is right hand side, as proved. Not just only simple quadrant knowledge. You need to know how to play in the quadrant. Very, very important. Next. 10th question already we did this type. Sin, cos. You can see here the pattern. Sin, cos. And angle also same. N plus 1, N plus 2, N plus 1, N plus 2. It means we can apply that formula. In which formula? One sin, both sin, both cos, and middle plus. In which formula? Both sin, both cos, and middle plus. Recall the formula from the list. In which formula you are getting sin, cos, and middle plus? Tell me. Question number 10. Cos A minus B. Cos A minus B gives you sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So recall, or you can write, we know that. Do you know? I don't know, but I know. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, or sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. Okay. We know that sin A, okay, sin A sin B, then plus cos A cos B. This is formula of cos of A minus B. Okay. With help of this, we will prove the complete expression which is in the question number 10. Now you tell me, you decide what should I put as A value and what should I put as B value. N plus 1 into x. X also there, na? N plus 1 into x. And B value N plus 2 into x. Substitute wherever you see A, replace N plus 1 into x. So it would be sin A means N plus 1 into x. Okay. Sin B means N plus 2 into x. Then plus cos A means N plus 1 into x. Okay. And cos, bracket close, cos N plus 2 into x. Okay. Equals to right hand side, cos A means N plus 1 into x minus B means N plus 2 into x. Now you need to solve it. And if you observe, you already got this left hand side as it is, correct? See in the question number 10, as it is left hand side. So we should not again solve left hand side. As it is, we will work on right hand side. This as it is, okay? Let's copy here. Solve here only. Cos, okay. Bracket open, n into x, nx, x into 1, x, minus n, this n into x, nx, minus plus minus 2x. Simplify. This nx and nx cancel. Nx and nx cancel. Cos x and minus 2x. Cos minus x. And cos minus always plus cos. This is RHS, no? Hence proved. Okay. It is done. Proved. Noted. Question number 11. Let me first note the question number. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus, between minus, cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, and right hand side is minus root 2 sin x, okay, minus root 2 sin x. So you should ask yourself which formula I can apply, what to do. There may be two methods to solve this. Which formula is applicable here? This is the left hand side. One is you are getting correct. You can apply cos C minus cos B, correct? Or you can apply cos A plus B here, and here cos A minus B. Then also you can get answer. Cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Both are applicable here. Okay. So cos C minus cos B shall I apply, or cos C minus cos B? And if you see outside minus, so cos C minus cos D, there are two forms. Okay, then recall cos C minus cos D minus outside, 2 sin C plus D by 2. C means what? C means this angle, this complete angle. C means 3 pi by 4 plus x, plus D means 3 pi by 4 minus x, and upon 2. It is C plus D into sin C minus D, because already I have written here minus. So C minus D. So 3 pi by 4 plus x and minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. But because this minus and minus multiply plus x. Okay. Now this x cancel, this x, and here 3 pi by 4 upon 2 also there, no? Upon 2. C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 upon 2. You said upon 2. Huh? Minus 2 sin. Now tell me, 3 pi by 4 upon 2. 3 pi by 4 2 times 3 pi by 4, correct? And upon 2. And here sin x into x, 2x upon 2. Then this 2 and this 2 cancel. This 2 and this 2 cancel. Then what is the answer here? Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. 3 pi by 4 we already know how to calculate. Exercise 3.2. How to find this value? Minus 2 sin. You know pi by 4. Okay. Now read table of 4 so that you can break this. 4 1s are 4. So you will say 4 into 1 pi. Then minus. Correct? 4 into pi. 4 pi minus 1 pi. 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Now apply quadrant rules. Minus 2. Sin pi minus theta. Pi means here no change. So sin is sin plus sin x, because minus means this quadrant. First here, then clockwise move. Second quadrant, sin pi minus theta is sin pi by 4 into sin x minus 2. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 and sin x. And you know what? 2 you can write root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. Then 1 square and 1 power cancel. Just this cancel. So what is final answer next? Minus root 2 sin x and right hand side. Okay. Prove. Question number 12. sine square 6x minus sine square 4x equals to sine 2x sine 10x, sine 2x sine 10x, okay, sine 2x sine 10x, okay. How to prove LHS equals to RHS? Okay, you can take LHS left hand side, sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. Look at this. What to do? Is there any formula I have given to you? Sine square minus sine square type? Not given. Okay. Then do you know it is like a square minus b square? What is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. So immediately you should think, okay, I don't have such formula, but I have a square minus b square. You just observe and follow. A square minus b square says that a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a means sine 6x plus sine 4x. Okay. Another bracket sine 6x minus sine 4x. What I did here, I applied a square minus b square formula. A means sine 6x, b means sine 4x. So it is a plus b and a minus b. So I simply applied this formula here. Okay. Now do you have any formula like this? Here we can apply sine c plus sine d. I am recalling here, what is sine c plus sine d formula? 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d. And here sine c minus sine d. 2, if minus then cos comes first. Cos c plus d by 2 into sine, apply here. So here 2 sine c plus d. Now c means 6x, d means 4x. So 6x plus 4x, 10x, 10x upon 2. 10x upon 2, how much? 5x into cos 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 upon 2, 1. So only cos x. What I did here, apply the formula. Okay. Into here sin c minus sin d. 2 first cos 6 plus 4. 2 cos 6x into sin 6 minus 4 upon only x. Correct? What I did, I applied these formula. Okay. This you have to tell using, okay, using formula. Using these formula. Okay. Next. But look at your answer part also. In the answer 10x and 2x. 10x and 2x. Okay. It means further we need to simplify further. Okay. So do one thing, same angle you catch, same. 6, 4, 10 upon 2. Why not here? 5. It is also 5 now. It is also 5. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 upon 2, 5, not 6. So combine same angle. 2 sin 5x and cos 5x. Combine this. 2 sin 5x cos 5x. And one bracket, all in multiplication now. So we can do mathematical manipulation. Okay, this is called mathematical manipulation. We are just combining same kind of terms. Then 2, then cos x, and from here sin x. Because this is over, this is over, this is over. Only remaining term this, this, and this. So 2 sin x into cos x. Now if you know, here again one formula activated. Which formula? 2 sin cos, sin 2a. What is the formula? Recall, sin 2a. This formula, sin 2a, 2 sin a into cos a. Formulas are like patterns, you should know. Whenever sin 2a, here 2 sin a cos a, it means whenever whatever angle here angle coming double na? Correct? So if you apply this formula here, if 2 sin 5x cos 5x, if I combine this, it will be sin 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means it is sine 2 into 5x, and it is sine 2 into x. So what is the final answer? Sine 10x and sine 2x. Okay, which is RHS. RHS, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Solve every problem logically with me. Okay, with the logic. Whenever I ask anything, try to think. Okay, at your level, try to give the answer. Not to me, then give to yourself. These kind of problems, these kind of mathematical problems will increase your IQ level. Okay, and these kind of problems will make you intelligent. Next, exactly same problem, similar problem. 13 cos square minus cos square. Okay, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. 13 you have to prove cos square LHS is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Okay, and RHS sin 4x sin 8x. Sin 4x sin 8x. Okay, now tell me first step, what should be your approach? First step, first step is a square minus b square formula activated. Okay, then a plus b, a minus b, but a means cos 2x and b means cos 6x, so it would be cos 2x plus cos 6x, and here cos 2x minus cos 6x. What next? What next? Now do you have any such formula? Cos what in your list no such formula? Cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d is there now? So here you can see we can use these formulas, which this one is cos c plus cos d. Right, while solving the problem every time write formula, and one is cos c minus cos d. So cos c plus cos d is both cos 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. What is cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d. Okay, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. If I am writing this, that also correct, because there are two forms. If d minus c, then there is no negative sign. If here negative formula is starting with negative 2, then c minus d. Okay, now apply this here, then LHS. Okay, cos c plus cos d. Okay, cos c plus cos d, I will take this is c and this is d. Okay, no problem, huh? Because 2 plus 3 also same as 3 plus 2. In a plus b same as b plus a. Why I am taking this is c? Because when we subtract 2 minus 6, then answer will be negative. So to avoid this negative sign, tell me what is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2. Up c plus d means 6x plus 2x. How much? 8x. 8x upon 2? 4x. And again cos c minus d. C minus d, 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x, 4x. 4x upon 2? 2x. Cos 2x. Finish this bracket. Now come to this. Cos c minus cos d. 2 sin c plus d. So 2x plus 6x. 8x. 8x upon 2? 4x. Okay. And cos again then sin d minus c, because I not use minus sign. D minus c. D is 6 and c is 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 upon 2, 2x. Then what we should do? Combination, because right hand side is still not came. We want 4x and 8x. So 4, again you can feel it, we can apply the formula, sine 2a formula, correct? No? So this 2, this cos 4x, okay, and this sine 4x together, bracket close, and then this 2, this cos 2x and this sine 2x. Okay, now apply formula sine 2a. Also you know sine 2a formula. What is sine 2a? 2 sine a cos a. Now, so when you apply this formula, then LHS is here 4, it means double of 4, 8. So it will be sine 8x, and here double of 2 sine 4x. Now I think came the right hand side, 8x into 4x. So sine 4x sine 8x RHS. Proved. Okay, proved. LHS sine 2x, 2 sine 4x, sine 6x. LHS side is sine 2x, 2 sine 4x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. RHS is 4 cos square x and sine 4x. Okay. Now look at RHS also. RHS I am writing here. 4 cos square x into sine x. Correct? Sine 4x. Sine 4x. So how to get this? How to get this from this? In trigonometry, so many formulae, and to decide which to apply, when to apply. That is a question. See, according to proving part, always take care in the proving part. In the proving part, you want sine 4x also. Correct, na? Sine 4x also. So you can think, okay, what if we apply this here, sine c plus sine d first? Okay, and this term, the term in which sine 4x as it is, we can leave that. So we can firstly combine the sine 6x with sine 2x to sine 4x. Now we can apply sine c plus sine d rule here. What is sine c plus sine d rule? 2 sine, add and half, 6 plus 2, 8, 8x upon 2, 4x. So 2 sine 4x into cos, subtract and half, 6 minus 2, 4 upon 2. So 2x, okay, plus 2 sine 4x. What next? Still we didn't got. Now see, there are two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. And you can take common now. What is common? 2 common, sine 4x also common. Then remaining cos 2x plus 1. Okay. 2 sine 4x. Okay. Do you want this extra plus is coming? That extra plus is coming. But in with the cos 2x there are 4 formulae. Remember na, cos 2 there are 4. If you see in the list, in that out of 4 formulae, I want to cancel this one. When this one will get cancelled? If you will get minus 1. So in which formula of cos 2x we have minus 1? Because I want to cancel plus 1. Plus 1 will get cancelled if you have minus 1. See the cos 2x's, there are 4. There are 4. This cos 2a. Can you see this formula? 2 cos square a minus 1. Correct? Apply that formula. Cos 2a, 2 cos square a minus 1. So it will be 2 cos square 2x means half of 2x, only x, minus 1 and it is plus 1. Okay, then this 1 and this 1 cancel. Now simplify. All in the multiplication, 2 into 2, 4 sine 4x cos square 2x. 2x, no, only x. It implies it is 4 cos square x into RHS came RHS, yes, hence proof.